So we got a set of 6 of these little wreaths here, and you can see my hand. They're about 6.5, 7 inches across, and then in here, this is probably about a 3.5 inch diameter here. And they're just these cute little wreaths, and they have like the berries and the pine cones and some flocking on them and stuff. And I'll show you. We hung them up. They're just really nice for like cabinet doors or any little place like that. But I'll show you what we did with them. They sent these to us so we could show them to you. And it was a set of, I think, 6. So I'll show you here. Okay, we got some up here above the frame there. Ta-da, look at that. They're just on some push pins right now. We might do them better later before Christmas, but that looks pretty good right there. Then we got them up here on this little shelfy thing here. We got one on each end there, so very, very, very cool. And here's a little bit closer up. You can see little berries, little flocking, little pine cones, little different kinds of pine leaves there. Ta-da, look at that. And here's one with the red ribbon on it, which they came with, each one came with it. It came with 6 red ribbons to go with the 6 wreaths and stuff. So very cool. Look at that. You got a little velvety ribbon on it and stuff too. So very nice.